Meet Luna, a curious 6-year-old with wild curly hair and a big imagination. It's bedtime, but before she sleeps, she must embark on the Great Toothbrush Quest. As Luna picks up her toothbrush, it suddenly glows. With a whoosh, she is magically transported to Sparkle Kingdom, a world where teeth shine like diamonds and toothpaste rivers flow.
Luna, the cavity monsters are coming. We must scrub them away before they take over Sparkle Kingdom.
Luna dips her toothbrush into a bubbly, minty waterfall. She scrubs her teeth and zap! The cavity monsters squeal and disappear.
You did it, Luna. Sparkle Kingdom is safe and your teeth are shining.
With a final rinse, whoosh! She's back in her bathroom, grinning at her clean, glowing teeth.
Until next time, Sir Bristle,